What's up, y'all? Welcome to my semi-truck crib. Just getting up, starting my day. I'm gonna give y'all a tour. I'm gonna show y'all recommendations of what you need in your semi-truck to make it feel like home, truck life. So first, when I get up, I like to open the curtains. You see my view, mid to high top window view. Get to see what's going on outside. We're gonna start in the back first. As you know, this is my bed. This is how I'm living. You see my bed right there. You see my covers. That's my TV. And I control that with my inverter. We're going to get to that. But that's my TV. And since it's kind of cold right now where I'm at, I got 2 blankets. My soft one. And then, I put this on top of it. Seal that warmth in. We be all good. Well, I got my lock sock. Y'all already know it. Gotta have my lock sock. Keep my locks looking good. That's the secret right there. And I got some decorative pillows right there. Let me turn on the light a little bit. I got some lights that cut on right there in the corner. I can use it for reading or just chilling. But these my decorative pillows. You already know. I got my Idle Smart system right here. That's like my at-home AC thermostat right there. Keep me warm or cold. We got some more controls over there. Plugs. Keep me right. Then if we, boom, go right here to the right. This is my cooking area right here. All right. So this is one of the #1 things you need in order to cook. And see, this is what I like to make right now. This is the season. I'm making my soups, and I can make my soups in my air fryer. It's one of the best things. I can put it on bake and make it do what it do. I can cook other things because, as you can see, I got my seasonings right here, so I can season up shrimp, my salads. I throw some seasoning on that, and you see the little F on the shelf. I keep my little bags. You know how we do. We gotta have these extra bags up here. It's my little trash bags. And then up here, it's just some random stuff, like random storage stuff. I got a big map just in case my GPS go out. I got some cleaning supplies up there, Ziploc bags, more cleaning supplies, and some red cups. You already know, gotta have the red cups. My handle broke off, so I just had to replace it with that right there. Super simple, super easy to fix. We're gonna drop down a little bit more. We're gonna drop down a little bit more right down here. Boom, right down by my feet right here. Boom. I got my gym. This is my gym right here, Got my little gym right below my kitchen. So we still in the kitchen right now. That's my gym. This is my kitchen area. We're gonna go back over here to the left. Boom. Up top, got some more storage. Got clothes, shoes in there, more clothes and storage bags. Got them in plastic so they won't mold and all that. Get any moisture on them. Got a printer, must have. Got to handle some business. Got tools in there, toolbox. Got a towel that's drying right now. Then up here, toiletries, any supplements down, take it up there. So right here, don't worry about all this stuff. You got some more cleaning supplies. I like to stay clean. Got some cereal back there, and this is one of my electric skillets. And this right here, gotta keep your hands clean at all times. I use this, at Febreze, gotta spray it down sometimes, keep it fresh in between washes. We're gonna drop down a bit. It's my fridge right here. That's what it do. After we go from the fridge, we're gonna drop down a little bit more. This right here, this is where my bathroom area at. Gotta make sure I have one of those. That's a must. That's a part of my top 10 of being on the truck. Gotta have a bathroom. All right. So let's come on over here. Let me show y'all what I got down here. It's a 3,000 watt power inverter. It'll power up this whole thing in here. It's a light show when I turn on that inverter. It controls my TV, and also it controls my air fryer. We're gonna keep that on. We come up front here. Up front is where it goes down. Up front, this the money making seat right here. This right here is where all the money is made, right here in this driver's seat. I'm in the midst of working, so all this is usually up. But this is a plate. right? This is a plate, and I can set my plate on there and eat while I'm driving. We got my massage chair over here. You know, it's a need massage chair. By Comfier, it's a real good chair. Sit down there after a long day, or put this in the back. It can move as well. It goes in the back. Put this across the bed and get a massage when I relax. That's one of the top things you need in here. You need a massager. You gotta make sure you have an inverter. Get your air fryer. Make sure you have a fridge, a good fridge, a TV for your entertainment purposes. You know, you might have some company over. Got the TV. And then gotta have some blankets for the winter. I appreciate y'all for coming to visit my crib. Thank y'all. Make sure y'all head on out. Watch your step when you're going down them steps. Don't leave my door open because don't want to let my AC out. All right. Hey, I'll catch y'all in the next one, okay? Peace.